A very good morning to everyone. I am Swayam Prakash Tiwari, leader of team Adviti, and today we are here to propose you a solution on problem statement temple and pilgrimage crowd management system for Somnath, Dwarka, Ambaji and Pavagadh. My problem statement ID is 25165. My theme is heritage and culture. My PS category is software and my team ID is 78242. My team name is Adviti. So let us begin. My ID title says Deopath, an AI driven pilgrimage flow control and autonomous crowd flow management system. The solution explains every solution that we will be talking about is mentioned in the description, and it says the client has to scan a QR, enter a unique name, and he's directed to a maps directly into our phone, and that map drops him directly nearest location to the Garbhagri. The client is shown in a marker. The server gets real-time location of each client on the map. If any client does not follow predefined routes on the map and the map's way that is showing to him, he is marked as black, and then the server can directly send him message and notifications. If you are just following the routes, you will be shown a direct passage towards the temple. The problem too is safety and emergency response. All routes to temple and Garbhagri are fed into the map route. Any route if gets upsurged by people, then warning is generated. Medical responses and police force are deployed on the basis of information generated by your application. Our application works in this format. For example, if this is a temple and it has three routes, these are the two parking areas with scanners. You have to scan this QR and you are assigned one route. Every people is assigned a new route. If you are with a family, your whole family gets a new route with you. You have to follow the instructions to reach to the Garbhagri, and this will be the shortest time taken. You will be shown your temple time, your worship time, your wait time on the app itself. The marker that I asked, that I read, if you choose your category under your name like woman, you will be marked red, blue if men, green if kid, and gray as adult or differently abled. So the server can collectively see people on the map. Being a client or user, you will see yourself individually on the map, but the server can see collectively everyone on the map. And this way, if anyone does not follow the route or gets away from the route, the server can see his details by tapping his marker and send him messages. If necessary, he can ask him to get on the route. The problem 3 is IoT and surveillance system. We surveillance by cameras at entry and exit points. When you enter the temple premises, you get scanned, and on every camera that you meet on the passage scans you and matches it with the database. So if you don't have your mobile phone, even then we can track you. If you have your mobile phone and you are on the map, still then we can track you. So the innovation is this system was never used and was not introduced, but we are the first one to do it. This is a system that works on every site, every temple. If there is a condition of stampede or emergency, new routes will be visible to every client by the authority permission. Means every client will not get the same route, but they will get new routes, and this way they can escape and save themselves from tempades. So the tech stack that we have used is Python, OSM, OpenCV, Maps, Wi-Fi, Scan QR, UPI or payment gateways, APIs, HTML, CSS. We also give you online book ticketing, bus assist, and to talk with the local vendors over there. These features will be available on the app. The process of implementation is mapping temple routes, giving camera Wi-Fi connectivity, and this has been solved by the government itself. Distinguishing between pilgrims and local office goings. Local office goings people will be given a new route so that they won't get delay into their work. Set up and install server and monitoring centers. Make people scan QR at entrance and park. This will be the only problem we'll be facing. The methodology I told you, the person has to scan a QR and then he will be shown a route. The server can see collectively people on one map. It is feasible because the technology we are using, the QR, the client server combination, the GPS tracking, the flask, the leaflet, the socket, everything is used and can be used. They are of free, they are of no money. The pilgrimage has to scan a QR, and this makes them easy. No app needed, no sign in needed, just scan a QR and you will be assigned an ID just by entering your name simply. The impacts and benefits are, the long term benefits can be talked about: enhanced safety features. If no cell phones, we surveillance you by the camera, support from local authorities, and scalable. So this was all we cater in our application. As I told you, every problem that is mentioned in the problem statement is solved by this application. Thank you.